Whenever you work with metadata, there's a bunch of hidden settings. So whenever you open up your metadata object, depending on your settings, you might going to see the table or column view, or you might not. But there's a toggle, so you can enable and disable the table column view. That's a more technical view on your data versus the business view being more business oriented. And in here, you can set a bunch of settings. So if you right click that element, select properties, in here you can now add a master file profile, which is a profile executed every time this metadata object is used. You can change the remark in here, which is a description for your metadata object, or you can toggle DV include, which is going to change the way WebFOCUS is going to inherit dimensional information if you link metadata. And you can change the BV namespace, which is going to toggle between the way WebFOCUS works with a business view in the data. So there's two different versions to be used in here. By default, it's going to be off. For some customers that still use the BV namespace on, that might be a good, or that might be the best way to toggle that setting.